Hello guys, welcome to the channel again. So today we will learn how to create scatter images in Photoshop. It's a kind of special effects. So let's start. And on Photoshop, I have already prepared a test file. So this is the image. What we will do is we will create a special effects, and you can create multiple special effects as per your requirement for running, for jumping. That depends upon your wish. So we'll start. Okay, so here's the background. So Control J, duplicate layer, do it 3. We will name it as 1 and this will be 2. Okay, fine. We'll go to layer 1. What we will do, we will simply create L, simple lasso tool. Okay, so just you don't need to have some precise place over here, but you just have to be careful. Just take the outline over here, then take a move around. Now it's selected. Now shift F for content aware fill, or else you can go to here and you can do the same thing here. Okay, so it's shift F, content aware, go normal. So it will take a bit time to render. My file size is a bit more, so it's taking a bit time. Else if you have a faster system, then it will work well over there. So this is how it will look. Okay, then we will go to 1. So 1 is done, then we will go to 2. Into what we will do, we will go to filter and take a liquify option. You can see Control Shift X. Just for your knowledge, I am taking this. Okay, once you are on in this filter, check the size, how much size you are requiring. Check the pressure is fine. We need a bit more density to pull it out, and you start pulling it on. So I'll reduce a bit of density so that it will be a bit faster. So all you have to do is you have to carry on with it. So I don't want to miss this area for dragging this. So what I will do is I will go for freeze marks tool, then reduce the size a bit, then I will freeze here. So what will happen here, once I am freezing this won't get affected when I am dragging it. I'll do it here also because we have to be careful with this leg even now, and I will do this also. So when we are doing this hand, this should not get disrupted. Okay, so I guess we have done with all the masking. Then again we will go to forward wrap tool and we will start working on it again. So now if I am wrapping, so you can see that it's not getting hampered. So this is how the mask works over there. So keep dragging, keep pulling until you think that yeah, this is it. Now we will set OK. Once you are done with it, you have 3 layers here, right? So here Alt will have to mask it. See the mask, we'll do the same thing to number 2. Done. Now what we have to do is click on brush. So if you don't have brush, you can download it online. So go for sparkle brushes. So I have already downloaded a set of these are the general brushes, you will already get it, or else you can go for special effect brush. Normally it comes with Photoshop. If you don't have it, you can download it. So I will take this brush, then once I go to brush preset, else you can check it over here. Okay, brush settings, you can go there. So I have already tagged it over here, so we will go to here, then brush size desired yours, you take it, then go to brush settings. Here in shape dynamics, here is the brush, you can see how you want. So I want it here, then scattering a little bit of here and there stuff is will help you to work on it more. So I'll go with this, and this is good to go. Then you start putting the colors over here, the bigger particles though. Here I need this to see white, so I will do a bit of enhancement over here. See, you can choose your own pattern if you want to make it color balance also, it's fine, but I normally choose levels to do that. So I made the background white so that the sparkles will show up properly. Then again started working on this, so I want it, and here bit of, so then reduce the size a bit, and you can minutely in the smaller areas, like here. So the particles are leaving, basically you can show that. Here I missed it, I guess. You can choose your brush styles, you can choose your pattern, how you want to do that. It's just as I'm teaching you, so I'm doing it bit of faster. Then do the same thing here. So now the colors will basically pop out, the colors what you have filled it here, so you can check it. Go with the bigger brushes to splash the color out. See how the colors are popping, and see, make it a bit zoom. Then a bit of splash you do here like this, so that you'll get the flow, you will feel like the running flow is there. So just make a bit splash, reduce the brush size, give the flow as you like. Then it's somehow you will get the colors. this is it, how it is done. It's basically very easy. You can keep much special effects over here. There are few more options I can tell. If you want to make it into different colors, or you want to make it a vibrant color, you want to show it, then what you can do is you create a empty layer, press alt, tag it in the particular layer you want to, then go for colors, press I for eyedropper tool, select the color, and you take a simple brush. Basically don't take this brush, you can go to general and you can take the normal soft round brush, reduce the size, and you can do it here. Now here you can make it a splash neon colors as you require, or you can go for a bit of grayish over here to take the splash, then go for blue. See how it does. Or you can do it in multiple layers also, and again you have to tag it. But so if you want to do a bit darker shade, then you go to it here. It depends upon completely your creativity, how you want to work on the files. So adding a little bit yellow is always good to this color. So but don't forget, whenever you are doing this, it should look good and attractive. So we will add a bit of it to everything. Now I guess this is done from my side, just for the tutorial. Then if you want to type something, what you can do is it's a bit. Select it, keep it to 30, right, for example, I'll write mine. You can decorate it as you want, just how you can do it from your end. This is what I like normally, so I'll go for white. I'm in love with this color. Then again alt, I'll dimpen it, then we'll go to brush, then sparkle brush again. It's actually a good brush. When you was starting working on it, you will understand. How it will look. Make it a bit darker. If you want to splash some color in it, you can do the same thing. So this is guys how it is. Thank you for watching my tutorial. You can create multiple special effects over here, and you can use it in your own creative portfolios and everywhere. So hope you have liked the video, hope you have learned a new thing today. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do follow it. Thank you for watching.